take long. That's all. Don't walk because it will take you a lot of minutes. Okay, like you have seen, we've just finished mounting up the whole wire fence. This is the game wire. It's more cost effective, and here's where we will now have our pigs being kept. So even here we put the tent underneath, then on top we put some grass so that we protect this tent from it fading out fast. Then this small shelter here, this is where they'll be running to in case it rains so heavily they are not comfortable with the lens. They'll come and hide in this shade. Also, in case of it there's too much heat, they might hide here, but they can also hide in the shade because there are a lot of shades here because we put up the structure under the trees. So like you can see, there's a lot of trees here. So even the leaves, you can see they are very fresh trees, and so in case they want to, they can easily hide in the shades, but for the lens they have to hide in this shelter. So at least this is the more cost effective and the cheaper to do your free range pig farm. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and let's move together. Subscribe and share our video, please, we beg, so that the more we grow, the more we will be motivated to show you how innovative we can become and how you can copy from us. And you can also call us in case you want us to do such a work for you on 0955 405704 or on 0977 405704 or on 0966 405704. In case you're outside Zambia, you can just add +26, then you start 0955 405704. Actually, the last 6 digits, they are all common. Only the first digits, they are the ones you change. So that's 0977 or 0966 or 0955. The rest is the same, which is 405704. Please share, like our videos, and we would love to hear from you more comments on what we can do for you, and how much more we can improve on, and how much more we can work on. Thank you for watching.